So through many doors, Vasudeva and Vasudeva. Vasudeva is carrying Vasudeva, and they are both moving together. As come, and of course so many details, wonderful details. All the guards were fast asleep. There was additional security measures were taken. Because one of these days, eighth child, 1, 2, 3, 6, they were taken away and killed. What happened to the seventh one was a mystery, mysterious. Maybe miscarriage. And that was Balaram, and he was transferred from womb to womb. Such technology exists. Transplantation of heart, they work with the heart, but womb, and womb to womb, transfer the child from one womb to another. Something to work on, huh? This already has happened. So, and then Balaram's birthplace becomes Gokul. The guards were fast asleep. So this is all Yogamaya of the Lord on the job. And the doors are opening and no one there to stop. And they come out of the prison. And the first person to greet the Lord was who? Was Shesha. Who is Anansesh? Balaram. Balaram has come in the form of Anansesh to greet the Lord. And also be of some practical assistance, help, service to Sri Krishna. It's a rainy season, and there's no one else to hold an umbrella over the baby Krishna. So Vasudeva is walking with Vasudeva, and right behind, or right along, goes Anandashesh, serving. He's Adi Guru, he serves, he's setting example before everybody. So there's Anansesh, and not just any kind of snake. Because rainy season, sometimes people say, it's rainy season, so lots of snakes come out. Their holes, their residence is when it's full with water. They have nowhere to go, so they just keep crawling, going here, there. In the rainy season, lots of snakes come out. So this one was not one of those ones. Don't misunderstand. This is Supreme Lord in the form of Anansesh Balaram has appeared. As Vasudeva is now carrying Vasudeva through Mathura town. What time is it? I know you are looking at the watch. That's not the time. What time is it? Midnight. Is it midnight? Not exactly midnight. After midnight. Because some time has the dialogue and the prayers and coming to the doors, and so around 1 o'clock, around 1, is walking through Mathura. And what has happened to the moon? Where's the moon? this time of the night. It's Ashtami. What time is the moon rise on the Ashtami of the Krishna Paksha, or waning moon? Waning.
Yes.
Waning, declining, waning moon. 8th, Ashtami. What time moon rises? At midnight. The reason why Lord, in fact, two moons appeared that night. One was Krishna Chandra appeared. You know who Krishna Chandra is. And then the Chandra, the regular Chandra appeared. And because Krishna Chandra is appearing in Chandra Vamsha, in Moon Dynasty, he wanted to appear same time or maybe just few moments after moon has risen, so that he could, not before. So he is calculating and he is appearing at midnight because that's the moon rise time. There's something very special feature of moonrise that night. The timing is business as usual, every Ashtami, midnight, moonrise time. But that night, okay, so Ashtami's moon, what size? Crescent is no, wrong. Full. Ashtami. Normally. It's 8 days after Purnima. 8 days after full moon. Half moon. It's the half moon. Normally on the Ashtami night, midnight, half moon rises. But this night, full moon appeared. Only that night. Only that night. Because the moon became so happy, so delighted that in my dynasty, Lord is appearing, my dynasty, Haribo, Haribo, Haribo. He became so jubilant that he had a big face. He had a Purnendu Sundara Mukhat Purna Indu. He became Purna Indu, or full moon at night. So there was, as a result, there was some light, as that was helping. That helped Vasudeva to go through the town of Mathura. It was quiet. Complete silence. Even the dogs were sleeping. That's why it was more quiet. Our dogs were meant to sleep, as their guards in the prison house were meant to sleep. The dogs were also meant to sleep. If the dogs would not be sleeping, what would they normally do? Bark. And then what happens? Not everybody. One person is enough. Getting up and hey, up! Vasudeva. An equal mobile comes up. And here he comes. So the dogs were fast asleep, meant to sleep.